This is Launch from RetroCultMods, and today we are building the revival kit for the Xplorer guitar controller. You'll need either a PH1 or T10 Torx head screwdriver depending on the guitar model you have. First, we're going to start by removing all the screws on the rear shell. In total, there are 11 screws in the back shell. Note that there are 2 screws that may be longer than the others. They can only fit back into the place that they originated, so make sure of which hole you remove them from. To the top left, I've included a diagram of which screws can potentially be longer. When removing the body screws, both shell and neck, make sure to use a fair amount of downward pressure as to not strip the screws. Also, it is a bit difficult to get replacements for them, so don't lose them either. After removing all 11 screws, carefully lift up the rear shell. If you find difficulty opening the guitar, double check that all the screws are removed, and try again. During opening, you'll find that the strap peg comes out of the guitar. Like the screws, it is a bit difficult to find replacement for the peg, so be sure not to lose it. Now that we have the main body of the guitar open, we can now open the neck. There are 5 of the same type of screws on the back of the neck. Like the ones on the rear shell, carefully remove them. I found that the previous owner of this guitar covered up one of the screw holes with a sticker. Don't make the same mistake I did, so make sure that you get all 5 out. Check to make sure that you did indeed remove 5 screws from the neck. Once you've removed the 5 screws from the neck, remove the rear shell of the neck. Once you have verified that 16 screws have been removed from the guitar, we can move on to removing the original electronics components.